just want to also have a look at linking ideas, because for you to get a good mark, obviously the language is important and linking ideas are very important. You're probably familiar with some of these. So you've got words that connect similar ideas, words that connect different ideas, clarifying, examples, and then obviously giving an explanation or a reason. So I've got this example at the bottom. Although I am a supporter of freedom from regulation, I believe planning laws are necessary. Yeah, so that is a way of connecting a different idea. Okay, so in your essay, in your task 2, you are expected to try and use these linking ideas, contrasting or having similar ideas, which will help you. Are you familiar with all of these words?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
so try to demonstrate that, guys, in your writing, and that's what's going to give you the good marks, because you're keeping it you're keeping the paragraphs organized with your ideas. Right, I'll just give you a task here, guys. Have a look at these 5 sentences. So number 1, you have 3 options. 1 is not possible, 2 are possible. So have a look at that. So advertisements provide vital revenue for the entertainment industry. So there is one that you cannot use there. Any ideas? Maybe if you can write it in the chat if you like, or I can ask you. Madge, any idea? Which one would you not use?
This one. This 5.
Yeah. Oh, good. You're using the interactive. Great. Yeah. So the other ones, consequently and as a result. So if we go back to the table before, they're giving a reason, aren't we? We're giving a reason, not a different idea. So yeah, you were correct there. So the other 2 are correct. Okay, have a look at number 2. Okay, nowadays the internet has become an indispensable business tool. Any ideas there?
We cannot use also.
Although, yeah, that's the one that you do not use. Yeah. How do we use the other ones then? In fact, in other words, what are they describing?
In fact.
In fact, we would. So if we go back to the table before, these are used as a way to clarify an idea that you have. Yeah, it's not a different idea, just clarification. So that's a way you can use that linking idea. Okay, number 3.
Can I ask in number 2, what does indispensable mean?
Indispensable is when something is very, very important. The internet has become so people cannot live without it as a way, as a business tool, you know, a way to yeah. So maybe if in football terms, Messi is indispensable for Barcelona. He's very, very important. You cannot live without him in your team.
I see. Thank you.
Okay. So any ideas there? Where you? Yeah, also.
Also.
So, however, and on the other hand, what are they explaining then? How are they linking?
However, sorry, the internet brings Rings.
Is it the same
we
opinion or something different?
We cannot use also.
However, we sometimes want to
Shut out. Mhm.
Yeah, shut out the outside world from time to time.
Yeah. So yeah, so if we have a look back at the table, so yeah, it's a contrasting idea, isn't it? However, or although, also is maybe adding more information, but you're sharing a different idea. In that sentence, is the internet good or bad? In number 3. However, we sometimes want to shut out from the outside world. Is that positive or negative?
I think
Positive.
the content means about digital detox.
Yeah, but the word when you shut out from the outside world, is that a good thing though? When you stay in your house, or is that a good influence on people that they don't need to leave their house because the internet has everything?
Depends our situation now.
Sorry, Zaid?
Depends our situation now.
Well, yeah, of
Why
course.
not?
Yeah.
Positive.
but then you would use also, because the internet brings the world into our home. Is that positive or negative?
I think it's positive.
Yeah, that's
Positive,
positive. It's fantastic, isn't it? However is contrasting that. We sometimes want to shut out. So the second clause there is actually negative. So when you're using however, is a different idea to
negative.
Okay. So just when you're using that, a different idea. Yeah. Okay. Number 4.
Can I answer?
Yeah, go for it.
In addition,
It's not possible. So scores.
Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, it's possible. We can add it. Yeah.
Which one is not possible?
Whereas.
Yeah.
Whereas. Yeah.
Yeah. So whereas, schools can give our children academic knowledge, and furthermore, in addition, at school, children can learn more skills, so more information. You could also use also. Yeah, it's the same word there, isn't it? Also, at school, children can, but furthermore and in addition is more formal. Whereas it's not contrasting. It's the same. If we have a look here at the beginning, it's a similar idea. It's connecting the information. Yeah. Okay, and the final one, guys.
Do not use as result.
Yeah, great. Okay, yeah, so many people today spend time on social networking sites, for example, or for instance. For instance is probably it's more formal.
More formal, yeah.
Yeah. Or if we look back, I think maybe you've got such as is common as well. So you're giving examples. So what you have a good understanding there of those linking ideas. Is just trying to use those in your writing. What I would like you to do is, with the same task, I just want you to look back at your writing and see how you can improve it. Maybe you could improve the introduction. You could improve using linking ideas, or just the structure of it, making sure that, I'll just go back one more time, just making sure that you're following this structure that